Huandong Intelligence provides a selection of advanced linear modules featuring steel wire reinforced high-stiffness synchronous belts paired with an external tension adjustment mechanism. Mechanical operators can conveniently adjust belt tension from the outside without disassembling any protective chassis components. Furthermore, the critical internal bearing seat incorporates finite element analysis FEA-optimized design to reduce micron-level structural deformation under high loads, helping to maintain long-term mechanical positioning accuracy.